I was a super train, I'd always do good deeds. Here to there and everywhere, thanks to my super speed! Whoa! Oops! If I was a super train, I'd use my super steam. I'd slip inside so I could hide and not be super seen. I can't see you or me. If you were super train, you'd do a lot of good. But anyone could be a hero right in the neighborhood. I'd be so strong and fly so fast. Having superpowers is a super blast. Superpowers are great, it's true, but nothing's more super than just being you. If I was a super train, the world would cheer my name. But even if you lost your powers, I like you just the same.